Comparify.com is a place where you can find the best plan for your mobile, tablet, data card and more. Making a right choice can be tough with the number of plans, top-ups and infinite combinations. So here we are to give you a quick overview of how to find the best plan for your mobile using Comparify.com.
Let us try finding a good mobile plan for me. I live in Chennai, use 200 minutes of voice calls, send around 100 SMS and use 400 MB of data a month. Search and you have your best plans instantly. Each search result comes with details on the plan, relevant top-ups and cost information. You can get detailed breakdowns on how we arrived at this result. If you know the exact split up of your mobile usage, modify the search and specify the splitter. I make more STD calls than local calls, so I will now need more specific results for my heavy STD usage. If you are a BlackBerry user, check the services you need. Data usage has a huge impact on the cost of your monthly bill, so enter a good value for your data usage. Now the search result shows up with plans and top-ups customized exactly to your mobile usage. It saves you money on categories where you are a heavy user and cutting out those with minimal or no usage.
We frequently update our database with new plans and tariff changes. We blog on what's new in the telecom industry. So stay connected and keep saving.